Why should we believe in God? If we can think seriously on life, then when we go to bed, we go to 100 cares and anxieties, born of our different associations during the day. Or we go with certain griefs, and when we wake up in the morning, then we wake up with numerous anxieties. We have to accomplish this job today and this job today, and we have got to do this and we have got to meet so and so. Is this life worth all this? If this life, if this world is just a chance order and I have come into this world just by chance, and I am standing here and I am staying here just by chance, and the life is absolutely a blind process, it has no meaning, is all this worthwhile? Cannot be. The worth in life and the value in life and the meaning in life comes only through believing in God, and consequently we should believe in God. For our safety, for our security, for our happiness, for bringing meaning into our life and the life of our fellow beings.